Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to print Royal Mail postage labels at home. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Royal Mail account and go to the Send an Item section. Follow the step-by-step process to enter your parcel details, delivery address, and payment information. Once you've completed the purchase, Royal Mail will generate your shipping label. Next, click View Label to open a preview of your postage label. The label will appear in a printable format. Now click the print icon in the upper right corner of the page to open your printer settings. Make sure you've selected the correct printer, and if you're using a label printer, set the paper size to 4 by 6 inches. Leave the scale settings at their default value unless your printer requires a different configuration. Once everything looks correct, click Print, and your Royal Mail postage label will be printed and ready to attach to your parcel. And that's it! So that's basically how you can print Royal Mail postage labels at home. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.